Hello, my name is Baljeet. Welcome to my channel where you do as I say and not as I do. So the Honda is gone. The 2002 Honda Accord is gone, and I got that car for $350, and I put in a timing belt and few other things I got from the junkyard, as well as I had to like register that car and pay and pay the registration for it. I had to pay it for 2 years. The DMV made me pay for 2 years because it was on non-op and it was ending, so they wanted me to either wait or pay for 2 years. So there was some cost there that I wasn't expecting, or expecting to have that cost. So that was like around $300. So we were like around $800, or let's just say $700 into that car, $700-800, and the car sold for $1,700. I kind of sold it soon. I should have waited a little bit, but hey, the guy was really nice, and he said that he was just not gonna give me any trouble. Was just gonna come look at the car, not waste my time, and then if he likes the car, he's just gonna take it. So I rather sell cars to people like that are like upfront, that like they're not gonna waste my time, and they like the car and they want it. So I didn't make that much of a profit on that car. I mean, we doubled my investments, but as far as I'd rather deal with people like that, and so I know that I won't have any issues, and they know what they're getting, and their expectations are realistic. Sometimes people have unrealistic expectations with used cars, so that's I'd rather sell it to somebody that has realistic expectations. But anyways, I already got the next project. It's a actually, I'm not gonna tell you guys, but let's hop into my truck and let's go pick up the new project, and then so you guys I'm gonna bring you guys along to come pick this one up. So let's go. Alright, this right here is my 2002 Infiniti I35, and it has 130,000 miles and is super clean. And I was able to negotiate this down to $1,500. It does have some issues with the suspension. I believe the ABS sensor or the speed sensor, something like that, something going on down there that needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna put my code reader on there and see what kind of codes I have or not. But anyways, regardless of that, let me show you guys around. It's a really clean car. You know, I bought it from the original owner, and or at least it was in the family. They just like passed it around the family for and everybody used it until now. They couldn't smog it because of the there's something wrong with the traction controller or speed sensor or something like that. But anyways, look at this. This is so nice, all leather. I don't even have to spend a lot of time like the Honda. I don't even have to like clean this car. It's all nice and clean. I might just do a light cleaning, like these seats. They just need light cleaning, and this should just be fine. It has a DVD player that pops up right there above the clock. Look at that clock. Oh my god, this car is so nice. I kind of want to like keep it for a little bit. I might keep this car for a little bit and drive it and enjoy it because it's so luxurious. It's just such a nice car. I just like love like the leather. Oh, there's some I didn't see this, but there's like some damage here. I'll see if I can source a panel, because this is just an eyesore. That's not good. So yeah, I might want to source this panel from somewhere. They might have I don't know how that happened or how that could happen. Other than that, just I'm gonna take out these floor mats, clean those up. Look at these seats. They just need light cleaning, like, you know, nothing major, nothing disgusting like that Honda. The Honda was super disgusting, honestly. I think I even got sick cleaning that Honda. I felt sick for a day, and I was like, what's going on with me? I didn't do anything, and I was like, man, did that car make me sick? But I have recovered. Other than that, yeah, this car's pretty clean. Right there, you know, I35. It has a V6, pretty powerful engine. I'm not sure if the trunk is I have the remote. Let me show you guys the trunk. Oh my god, I popped the trunk, and I have a remote, and it has like everything, key and a remote, so that was pretty awesome. So look at this trunk. It looks so nice. Look at that carpet. I don't even have to like do anything on this car. Pretty much just fix the issues that are on here, and then like we're good to go, you know. Let's see. I don't know what happened there. My gimbal was acting up or something like that. But look at this, it has the first aid kit in here. That is so amazing. And then I have all the documents in the glove box for the what do you call it, the owner's manual, and all the service records for this car. Oh my god, I'm like I really want to like drive this for a while. I might just enjoy it because I've been looking at look at that. So all the service records are here, like all the books are here, you know, the books for the user manual and maintenance and all that. So everything is here. So, and then look at this. Oh my god, I just can't believe how clean this car is and what I paid for it. It's amazing. I mean, it does have some issues, like I said, but like, come on, for $1,500, like, you can't beat this. It has a sunroof. I was using that sunroof. I think the tracks need cleaning because it kept it kept like sticking. It will open, but like I would have to like press the button and press the button again and press the button again. So that's like to me, that's what do you call it, that just means that the tracks are dirty, and that the motor, they have a sensors in it, so the motor detects that something is holding it and not letting it like open it properly, so it stops from it getting damaged or something like that. So you know, we'll clean that up, that's not a big deal. But other than that, oh my god, I can't believe this. I scored this car. I was just sitting on the internet, and then I was just like looking through Craigslist, and then I saw this car, and then the issues with it, and then I was just like, okay, you know, I'll just offer this guy $1,500, and if they buy it, they buy it. If not, then you know, you gotta think about like your profit as well, because if I pay more than that on this car, and then I end up putting another $400 or $500 into this car. Let's say I don't think so. It will be $400 or $500. Hopefully not. But I'm just saying, you know. And then it's not gonna sell for a lot more. I mean, maybe in this crazy car market it will. But normally, you know, this car, even with its low mileage, I think maximum, and that's like pushing it, would be like $5,000. But right now I'm not sure what it will sell for, but I will definitely be sharing that with you guys. So I hope you guys are looking forward to this, and me cleaning it up and fixing it up, and moving on, and then you're getting see where we go with this car. All right guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic day.